Looking for the ultimate holiday appetizer? This lemony hummus is so easy and so delicious. You can whip it up in minutes, serve it with pita, raw vegetables, and more. Let's get started.
We're using canned chickpeas, 230 grams drained. But don't toss the liquid. We'll add it back to make everything extra creamy. Juice 1 whole lemon, about 3 tablespoons, and add 3 tablespoons of tahini. Tahini is sesame paste, rich in calcium, iron, and healthy fats. It gives hummus that nutty, creamy base. Add 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Uncooked olive oil keeps all those antioxidants and anti-inflammatory benefits, so your body gets the best of it. Now blend. Now garlic. If you love it and it loves you, go raw. But if garlic gives you trouble, here's a tip. Smash a clove and let it infuse the olive oil for 30 minutes. Or gently saute it in the oil before blending. Same flavor, gentler on your stomach. Add chickpea liquid, just a spoonful at a time until the texture is silky smooth. Salt to taste. Spoon it out. Fast, creamy, packed with good stuff. Drizzle with more olive oil, sprinkle on some paprika or chopped parsley if you like. This lemon hummus is everything you want without the fuss. Want more feel-good Mediterranean recipes? Hit subscribe and we'll see you next time. It makes about 4 servings, great for wraps, bowls, or appetizer. Your turn. How do you make hummus? Do you start with dried chickpeas or do you go the quick route like we did? Do you add cumin? Skip the garlic? Let us know your favorite twists, classic or creative, in the comments.